Here we are with PLTR stock, Palantir Technologies Inc. And if it's your first time coming across the channel, welcome to all subscribers. Welcome back. So PLTR stock is being held up by the inflows that came in on Wednesday, but we continue to see these outflows being a huge resistance. And we're going to break it all down in today's video. And in yesterday's volatility, our SPY bot sent out a bull indicator at 6:55 a.m. And from that moment forward, inflows crossed the midpoint to the upside, full strength there on 42 vision, and call options went up 200% plus within an hour, guys. If you guys want to receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets, check out the link down below in the description and the top pinned comment to join the members using 42 vision and maximize within the volatility, whether stocks are going up or going down, by receiving that clarity and edge over the charts and the markets. We look forward to having you join us. So PLTR stock is ranging here between the 132 and 135 area. And we're going to break down the key levels here that are important going into next week. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity that was mentioned yesterday morning over at the Discord. So the home run today was spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on and receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets, check out the link down below in the description and the top pinned comment to join the members using our 42 vision indicators and our bots. And we look forward to getting you connected. So the home run today was from our Apple bot. Our Apple bot at 7:10 a.m. sent out a bull indicator, and from that moment forward, inflows crossed the midpoint to the upside, full strength on 42 vision, and call options went up over 150% plus within an hour, guys. If you guys want to receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets and these charts, check out the link down below in the description to get connected to our AI bots, our indicators, and join the members using 42 vision to gain that edge. We look forward to getting you connected and have you join us. Let's jump into these charts. Here we are with the SPY, the S&P 500 index, doing a full transition from white with red borders to bright green bars, as I call the rip area. And if this is your first time coming across the channel, this is 42 vision, which allows us to see the dips from the rips to the dips, and where the strength and weakness lies within the charts. And we also use our bull and bear indicators and inflow versus outflow as extra layers of confirmation, which I'm going to pull up here and you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. And in today's video, I'm going to pull up the inflow versus outflow indicator, which adds that extra layer of confirmation and gives us that edge within the volatility. So here we are with PLTR stock, Palantir Technologies Inc., bouncing back up after finding support above the 132 level from these inflow levels down here at 132.50 to 131. And this is crucial to not ignore because it's what's holding up this chart, right? And then we have some huge outflow levels here on multiple time frames, right? On the 3-minute, on the 5-minute, and even on the 15-minute. And we could see here outflows dominating. Blue bars, when they're larger, is inflows dominating. And you could see this shaded in blue. And this is outflows. And these three are outflow levels that were dominating, that pushed us down quickly to 130, 129. And now we're bouncing back up. And there's a support here at 132 and 131. Now, the huge resistance is here at this level at 134 to 135. And then you have another resistance up here at 136.33, 136.50, and all the way up towards 137.50. So these are key levels to the upside. There's an inflow level here in the after hours. And if we put the 15-minute, we could see here how we're pushing away from this inflow level that was used as support, the 130 area. And it's trying to retest and retrace towards 136. If that can get broken through, the next resistance up here is 138 to 138.80, and then 139.50 to 140.50. These are key levels to the upside as well in the bigger picture. Now I'm going to pull up the bull and bear indicators, and we're going to see how this is actually unraveling and why the larger time frames matter. So when we look at the 15-minute, we got an inflow level plus an extra layer of confirmation of strength of trend with this bull indicator at 129.90. But when we go out towards the 30-minute, we got a bull indicator at that level of 130, and we're trying to retrace and break out towards 137. And then you have the 1 hour with a bull indicator popping up for the first time. This is where it becomes crucial and critical because we want all of these time frames to align with the strength of these inflows and these bull indicators to hold up, and we want it to continue to roll over into larger time frames like the 2 hour. It needs to break out and try to retest towards 136 to 138. We want this bear indicator up here at 146 to get canceled, but so far up to the 1 hour, we have a bull indicator, and if this trend continues and we retest and retrace up to these levels and the multiple time frames are showing bull indicators below it and it can roll over into the 2 hour, any slight pullback is not justifiable because the strength of the trend is there and confirmed. But for as long as the 2 hour continues to hold that bear indicator, we want it to turn into a bull indicator here. If not, any move back up can quickly get canceled and rejected, especially at these outflow levels. So we want this to cancel, and that's what I'm going to be looking for here to justify any further move to the upside. And it's going to be crucial for that to happen. And I break that down with the SPY, how this 2 hour bull indicator was crucial and was justifiable, and any of these little slight pullbacks did not matter, and how we broke out from 608 to 610, 612, and how we're at these all-time highs. And I'm going to share that here with you guys. As long as this bull indicator holds up, any pullback is not justifiable, especially if the 1 hour doesn't cancel as well. We may see in the volatility, like on the 5-minute, it just got a bear indicator here at 607.50, but it does not justify the move to the downside because we have multiple bull indicators on larger time frames. So the key levels I'll be watching to the downside is 605 to 603 and 600, and to the upside, it's going to be 608, 610, and 612, guys. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want to receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets and gain that edge to be able to clearly see the strength of supports and resistance with our inflow versus outflow and the levels we may retrace towards in either direction, and the strength of that trend that's confirming the move with our bull and bear indicators within the volatility of the charts and markets, check out the link down below in the description and top pinned comment, and join the members using 42 Vision and become part of the community. We look forward to having you join us. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.